Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is May of Missy at Home, and today I will do a double unboxing video, one from Zalora and one from Louis Vuitton. But before we start, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, okay?
Every single day I'm gonna make something great.
So the first box is from Zalora. So this is a true unboxing. You can see my name here. So let's start. I got this yesterday. I ordered 2 days ago and it's here already. This is the receipt. And this is the cute bag from Topshop. I've been eyeing on this one since last year, and the price before was $1,895, but it is on sale and the price now is $1,299. So here it is. It's from Topshop by Zalora. It has a plaid lining inside. You can take it off and use this instead if you want the clear one. So it's like a pouch, and it has a sling, a strap. It's also a sling bag, so it's nice. And I am going to use this for sure. I think this is a nice travel bag because it has a strap. Okay, let's try to put the strap. Okay. I think we will put the strap here. And the other on the other side. Yan. 5'2", and I think it's pretty nice on my height. Okay guys, let's do the LV unboxing. If you want that bag, you can order it at Zalora for only $1,299. From $1,894, it became $1,299. So, big discount. And then this one is from LV. We got this from LV Korea. So, Here is the dust bag. And this is the code. It's M40995. It is attached in the dust bag. This is the receipt. So let's do the reveal. Let's reveal what's in the bag. Okay. I've been eyeing also, it's been on my wish list for a long time. So this is the Neverfull MM in monogram with beige interior. So it has the pouch inside. When I got this bag, after 2 or 3 days, I watched a video saying that this is included in the don't buy this bag, and I'm not offended by it. I like the bag, so I got the bag, so it's okay for me. Of the style, it has many imitations, replicas, but I don't mind. I like the monogram print. I'm not afraid about the baqueta because it's not going to be an everyday bag. I don't go to work. I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I'm not offended if this is included in the don't buy this bag. Everybody has their own opinion. I have my own opinion about this bag, and this will be a great bag because it can hold a lot. That's why it's called Neverfull. The size is right on my frame. It's like this. So I know it's going to be a great travel bag too because you can put a lot inside. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and if you have questions about the bags that I showed you, please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and give it a thumbs up if you did. So that's it. Bye. See you on my next vlog.